Hello, I'm Delia Dashwood from A Few Grey Hairs. We create and make all kinds of different custom-made, unique pieces for our clientele. In this particular case, we have a panel of hair that is on a very soft fabric, so it just hangs over the back of the client's head and takes the shape of her head. And this hair has actually been compiled from the client's hair from when she was a younger girl, and then her daughter's and her granddaughter's hair. So it's a nice mix of the three generations, which always adds a lovely touch to it. And then it is attached to this band with Velcro. The Velcro allows the hair replacement to be interchangeable between the different bands and makes it easy for washing and then obviously for styling. So if you have any hair at home that you're not using, please consider donating it to the Hairs with Love campaign that provides people with free wigs. So please have a look at that. It's Hairs with Love. Or otherwise contact Liz and myself and let's find a way how we can use that hair that you have at home in any of the many different hair replacements that we make. So please take a look at our website. It's afewgreyhairs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.